Welcome to our latest video in the UpKeep series. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to traverse the complex world of maintenance budgeting. We'll be exploring two key methods to estimate your facility's maintenance budget, so you can plan your expenditures more effectively. You'll learn how to base your budget on your facility's replacement value and how to calculate maintenance costs per square foot. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team and budgeting has you scratching your head, stick around. Let's dive into the world of maintenance budgeting for your facility. There are several ways to estimate this, but today we're going to focus on two main methods: basing the budget on the replacement value of the facility and calculating the maintenance cost per square foot. First up, let's talk about the current replacement value. This method involves measuring the annual cost of maintenance against the facility's replacement value. In other words, we're trying to understand the cost of maintenance in relation to how much it would cost to completely replace every asset in a facility. Here's a handy tip. A general replacement asset value percentage, or RAV, for most industries ranges from 2 to 5%. This means that the cost of maintenance at a facility shouldn't exceed 2 to 5% of the facility's replacement value every year. If the value is much higher, it might be more cost-effective to replace equipment rather than maintain it. Using the RAV is a great way to create a generalized budget for a facility. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's crucial to understand your industry's typical replacement asset values and benchmark accordingly, as relying solely on general industry figures can be limiting. Now let's move on to our second method: maintenance cost per square foot. If the RAV isn't a useful figure for your facility, you can measure maintenance costs by the square foot to understand how much money yearly maintenance activities might potentially cost. Just like with the RAV, this can also differ by industry. For instance, for office facilities, a typical maintenance cost per square foot is around $2.23, while other facilities quote the average cost as $1.63 per square foot. In conclusion, both these techniques are useful for giving maintenance planners a general ballpark idea of a maintenance budget. But remember, it's also possible and highly recommended to continually track these metrics, especially the RAV, which needs to account for asset lifespan and depreciation. This will help you improve and optimize your maintenance budget over time. So, get started today and see the difference it makes to your facility's maintenance budgeting. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered two key methods for estimating maintenance budgets: basing the budget on the replacement value of the facility and calculating the maintenance cost per square foot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and insights. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to helping you optimize your maintenance and operations.